Oh, the children have come. Okay, quickly change them and bring them. I'll make a nice healthy snack for them, Dudhi Dhokla. So we'll peel off the Dudhi first, remove the skin. Whenever you buy Dudhi, see that it is, a small Dudhi and a slimmer version. So you don't get too many seeds inside then. So now we will cut this into cubes. And we take a measure of the cup. This is 1 cup of Dudhi, but I think we can do a little more. So I will just put in some more Dudhi. So it's a heaped cup of Dudhi. We add in 1 cup of Sooji, 3 green chilies, depending on how spicy you want it. Ginger about 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, pinch of Asafoetida, 1 teaspoon salt, little coriander and stems of coriander. Half a cup of dahi, preferably sour dahi. Last but not the least, a tablespoon of oil. Now we shall blend it. Chalo, you also help me out. Go and grind this. In the meanwhile, I'll put the water to boil. Thank you. No, it's done. You can see the consistency. It's not flowy, it's not thick. It's just right. We add juice of 1 lime. You can add it in the blender also. That's also fine. Now our batter is ready. We'll just grease the thali. Even the sides. So it becomes easier for the dhokla to come out. Lastly, we add the most important ingredient, and that is fruit salt, 1 teaspoon. And then we just mix it nicely. We don't need any water or anything to activate because we've already added curd, and even Dudhi has its own moisture. Or the other option is you can add meetha soda as well. That also works equally well. Now we don't wait. Since we've added the fruit salt, we quickly put it into the thali. We sprinkle a little red chili powder, or if you have the achar masala, we add a little black pepper, so it's nice and tasty. Now we put it in the steamer and cover it and let it cook. It's 15 minutes since the dhokla is being done. Just insert a knife. Comes out totally dry, which indicates that the dhokla is done. Now we shut the gas and wait for the dhokla to cool. Now it's the time to add the tadka. We can do the tadka with ghee or we can do it with oil also. We add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, add curry leaves, add sesame seeds, 2 slit green chillies, and our tadka is ready. We shut the gas. Now slowly we spoon it. We spread it out nicely all over the dhokla. We garnish it with coriander leaves. We will wait for the dhokla to cool and then we will cut it, because if we cut the warm dhokla, it will tend to break. We'll cut it pieces, small or big, that's totally your choice.
Wow, it looks so delicious.
Where are the children? Please call them down. The dhokla is ready. They'll love it. They can have it nice and warm. It's delicious. I'm sure the children will love it.